Hey guys, Erik Erwin with Chestnut Park West, and today I'm going to go through the new CMHC mortgage rules that are going into effect July 1st. So if you've heard in the news the past couple of months, CMHC has been in the news quite often with some doom and gloom. So basically one of the things that they mentioned was that prices weren't going to recover until the year 2022, that housing prices could drop up to 18% in Canada. And this was highly criticized by many realtors and brokers in Canada. And I provided a video of how I don't believe that it's going down that substantially. And more specifically, there's a great blog post that I put up that goes into the specifics on why I don't think that's going to happen. But these changes, what are going into effect? So the credit scores, there's a new limit on credit scores from 600 to 680 now. So I thought 600 credit score was a little bit low regardless, but I think it's still very attainable for someone to get up to that 680 credit score to purchase a home. So GDS ratio went from 39% to 35%, and TDS ratio went from 44% to 42%. And you're like, Eric, what do those numbers mean? Well, what they mean is that it affects affordability and your pre-approval. So you theoretically, if you had a pre-approval now versus after July 1st, that pre-approval is going to be smaller coming up to July 1st. So what does this mean specifically for buyers? So first-time home buyers are going to get hit pretty hard. It's already pretty tough on first-time home buyers, and it's a struggle, but this is going to affect them pretty greatly. The good news is if you already have a signed pre-approval from a lender prior to July 1st, these rules don't go into effect for you, but make sure it's signed. So one thing to keep an eye out, those starter homes, they will be affected. Those prices will go up because affordability is going to be even more limited. So those semi-detached homes, those townhomes, and those condos will see an increase in those prices because of this. And we'll see that in the next few months as that goes through. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to give me a shout. Erik Erwin with Chestnut Park West. Take care, guys, and stay safe. Cheers.